The announcement was made by Joshua Kimilu, the Member of Parliament for Kaiti constituency and a member of the Wiper Patriotic Front. In a statement shared on his social media pages on Thursday, March 5th, Kimilu confirmed that the Linda Mwananchi rally will begin at 2 p.m. and is expected to draw supporters and political leaders from across the region. The rally is expected to bring together several prominent leaders allied to the Wiper Party. Among those anticipated to attend are Mutula Kilonzo Jr., Danny Manzo, and Robert Mbui. The movement, which has been holding rallies across different parts of the country, is largely associated with the leaders who have distanced themselves from the mainstream structure of the origin democratic movement. Analysts note that the presence of Wiper leaders at the rally is unlikely to be coincidental, especially at a time when Sifuna has publicly expressed willingness to work with the emerging United Opposition Alliance. The opposition grouping is gradually taking shape as political players explore new alignment ahead of future political contests. The Wiper Democratic Movement is considered a key pillar within the United Opposition Coalition, which has recently intensified consultations among leaders seeking a consolidated support across different regions. Sunday's rally in Kaiti is therefore expected to serve not only as a platform for the Linda Mwananchi movement to mobilize grassroots support, but also as an opportunity for opposition leaders to demonstrate unity and shared political objectives. With the political temperatures steadily rising across the country, the gathering in Makueni County is likely to attract significant attention as leaders outline their position and potential collaboration within the evolving opposition landscape. Through People's Deal, this comes at a time when Edwin Sifuna has shown willingness to partner with the United Opposition in their shared dream. Wiper leader to host Sifuna for Linda Mwananchi rally in Makueni County. Welcome to Siete Media. Please subscribe, share, comment for more news. Don't be left behind. Stay tuned.